If you still believe a 250 cubic centimeters two-stroke is just a stepping stone before real bikes, the 2026 Husqvarna TE 250 is here to politely and aggressively correct you. This is not an entry-level Enduro. This is a sharp-edged, white and blue statement that says skill matters more than cubic centimeters, and Husqvarna knows it. At first glance, the TE 250 looks like it rolled straight out of a pro paddock. Clean Scandinavian design, minimalist graphics, and that unmistakable husky stance. Tall, lean, and ready to hunt traction where others spin helplessly. It doesn't scream for attention, but when it passes you on a rocky climb, you'll definitely hear it laughing. Under the bodywork lives a fuel-injected two-stroke engine that continues Husqvarna's quiet rebellion against the four-stroke status quo. The power delivery is crisp, linear, and deceptively fast. Twist the throttle, and the TE 250 doesn't explode, it calculates. Smooth at low RPM for technical sections, then snapping to life when the trail opens up. It's the kind of power band that makes average riders feel talented and talented riders feel unstoppable. The chassis and suspension setup are where things get slightly unfair. With a lightweight chromoly frame and premium WP suspension, the TE 250 dances over roots and rocks like it's cheating physics. Front-end feel is precise, rear traction is borderline magical, and somehow the bike stays calm even when the rider is not. It flatters you, dangerously so. Husqvarna also continues its obsession with rideability. Electric start, traction control, and selectable engine maps on a two-stroke Enduro. Purists might grumble, but racers quietly smile. This is a bike that respects tradition while ruthlessly embracing modern advantages. Nostalgia is nice, winning is better. Of course, the TE 250 isn't for everyone. If you want lazy torque and sofa-like comfort, look elsewhere. This bike demands engagement, rewards precision, and punishes sloppy riding. It's light, reactive, and always slightly ahead of your thoughts. In the wrong hands, it's exhausting. In the right hands, it's devastating. So where does the 2026 Husqvarna TE 250 sit in the Enduro world? Right in the uncomfortable middle. Too sharp to ignore, too capable to dismiss, and too good to call just a 250. It's not trying to be the biggest, the loudest, or the most powerful on paper. It's trying to be the most effective. And that might be the most dangerous thing of all.